Hi everyone, it is full supermoon in about 40 minutes time. So I just wanted to come on and share some symbolic things I've noticed over the past 24 hours with you. And while the full moon is peaking now, this energy is going to be staying with us for the next few days. So I don't exactly understand what all of these symbolic things I've seen foretell, but what they do show us is what a powerful time this is. So I've got four things to share. First thing is that last night I went for a walk in the evening and I saw a shape in the clouds, which was pink and orange in color, and it looked just like the phoenix that rises from the ashes. So certainly the world at the moment is like we're surrounded by the ashes of something that's just been destroyed. And it also reminded me of the star after the tower card. So after destruction and demolition rises this strong, new, powerful, energized life force represented by the phoenix. Second thing I wanted to mention is just the moon itself. So I opened the window last night and looked out, saw the moon, and literally took a step back because it was just so much bigger and felt so much closer than it normally does. And this is the third in a series of 3 full supermoons we've had, third and final one. So certainly it is a very powerful force at the moment, pulling on everyone and everything as full moons do. Strong feelings now are expected and completely normal. Another thing also at the moment, just be very kind and forgiving of yourself and of others. It's still very easy. We are still in Mercury retrograde shadow to put your foot in it. Now, I know I certainly have, and other people I know have just kind of blurted out without really thinking the wrong thing at the wrong time lately, and we're all doing it. It's not intentional. So it's really just a reminder, like I say, be patient, be kind, be forgiving, be understanding towards other people and also to yourself. You know, we're so much harder on ourselves than others often. Yes. So third thing, we all know the saying, it's the darkest hour before the dawn, but I really felt it this week. So 2 mornings ago, I woke up at about 3:30 in the morning, which was dawn here. And I was surprised because I didn't realize, you're normally asleep then, that was how early those first rays of sunlight appear. So then I just went back to bed, didn't think much more about it. But then this morning I woke up an hour before that at 2:30. And it occurred to me, this is the hour before the dawn. It was pitch black. This is the darkest hour before the dawn. But, you know, the dawn does come. I've seen it. It showed me the day before it is coming, and it's so close. So that felt like a reminder of that idea, to hold on to that. Fourth thing I noticed this morning when I opened my curtains, the first thing I saw was 3 ravens on a roof. Now, ravens are a very symbolic bird. I didn't know the meaning of 3. Different symbolism is attached to different numbers of ravens. So I looked it up and it said 3 ravens symbolizes 2 things. First one was big changes are soon to come. And the second one was 3 ravens is symbolic of good health. So put them together and it sounds exactly like what the world, all of us individually and the world as a whole needs at the moment. Big changes coming soon in regard to good health. So brilliant message there. I'll take that. So I hope by me sharing that there was something in at least one of those that resonated for you. The message really for me going into full moon is be the phoenix, rise in strength. With the moon, let feelings rise and be released with the help of this super full moon. At the moment, we are in the peak of the intensity, but watch it drop off from tomorrow. The intensity that's been in everything will dissipate, will dissolve, and that will be the dawn, this dissolving of intensity, of that intense darkness by the light. And just a reminder too, when you see a raven or any other animal that you feel is a spirit animal for you, it's a message of reassurance. Change is coming. blessing of good health you are reminded of by seeing the ravens. So they're all really positive messages. So take some time and open your mind to observing symbolic things and events around you, just in your daily life, because there's no such thing as coincidence. These are clues and signs and are sent to help and guide you. And the more you practice observing them and noticing them and learning from them, the better you get at it. Okay. And we can all notice these things and interpret them ourselves. Okay, then, everyone, enjoy the full moon. Take some time out for yourself to reflect. Best wishes, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.